24 Hours of Daytona is our main race. The accessibility to the teams in the paddock, get up close to the cars. You can watch them working on the cars. And it's so much more fan friendly than any other series. Nick Tandy, been watching him for years, big fan of his.
I like Rexy. I like his cool paint scheme. He's super good.
Yeah, we got to sign the deck lid yesterday, so that was a lot of fun. Yeah, I was actually a big Cadillac fan for a while, but Lawrence Van Thor and his podcast, getting to know the drivers and stuff. We love going to the IMSA races because they're just fun. The fan experience is great. Being able to go through the garage is awesome. Signing the car, that's something you don't get in any other racing series.